All right, are you looking for ways to make money online? Well, I'm going to share with you today a blueprint on how to make money online with internet marketing. So stay with me throughout this video. What's up, guys? Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money online with internet marketing. I'm going to share with you a blueprint on how you can make money online using internet marketing, using platforms, the different ways you can make money, and how you can make big money every single month. All right, so stay with me throughout this video so you can get the full blueprint of how to make money online. All right, guys, but before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing. I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle. Now, guys, if you haven't been to my channel before, hit that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button, give me a comment, hit that like button, and let me know what you would like to see in future videos. All right, so you see here, I got tons of videos. I come out with them every week. So head over to my channel, hit that button, and subscribe. All right, guys. Now, if you are into a passive income, one that can make you a full-time income online, just click the link down in the description, my #1 recommended make money online method, and we will send you some information. All right, guys. Now, let's get into the blueprint. All right, so this is what you guys came here for. So let's get started. All right, so the make money blueprint is quite simple, okay? You're going to look for products that either have a front end, a core offer, a high ticket offer, all three, or maybe two. But I'm going to recommend you go after all three, and I'm going to show you exactly why you should do this. All right. So most products either start low and you got to sell tons of them to make a profit. All right. Or they'll start low and they'll have a sale funnel and they'll have a product. They'll have their front end offer, which is low, usually starts at $9.99 to $99 to $4.99. And then what you can do from there is you'll sell a higher product and make more commissions. All right. Now, after that, the high ticket offers, you can make really big money off of a little bit of sales. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through this blueprint. All right, so let's start with the front end. Okay, so this is a front end offer, and what these offers are, they're between $9 and $99 on average. All right, so they're called front end offers or break even offer. Okay, these are low ticket items. These are low ticket services or products that you can buy or sell for a commission, usually about between 40 and 60% commissions on these products. All right. So this is where you make your advertising costs back. Okay. So that's why it's called the break even offer. It's because when they come in, what you want to do at the front end is you want to use that for advertising. So you want to break even, you want to advertise, you want to break even. Any profit that you make from that is good. Okay. So there's usually an opt-in. Okay. So there 30% is an average, but I put on here 10 to 30% for your opt-ins. So I'm going to use a 5,000 clicks sent to your front end offer. Okay, so say I bought 5,000 clicks and I sent it to my front end offer. Now you can change this to 500 or whatever and just change the numbers, but I'm doing for 5,000 here. Okay, because this is what I have experience with. Now 5,000 clicks, 30% opt-in is 1,500 opt-ins. Okay, out of those 1,500 opt-ins are when people come to your site and they give you your email and name and they opt in and they go through your sales funnel. 1,500 opt-ins, about 15% convert on that first. This is my experience. Okay, this is averages. Could be 5, could be 10, could be 15, could be 25, but my averages were about 15% conversion. Okay, so that's 225 conversions, say on a $49 product. All right, so you can see the math here. I bought a whole bunch of clicks, sent them to the opt-in page, they convert, and I get 225 conversions. Now there are times where I may only get 15 or 150 conversions to 225, which would be 10%, but you can do the math here. It's either way, it's still pretty good. All right. So 225 times 49 is 11,025. Now these numbers aren't exact for everybody. These are averages. These are what I've experienced with these type of offers, okay? And it could be a $9 offer, it could be a $49 offer, it could be a $99 offer, all right? So I just picked the middle ground of $49. So as you can see here, your money earned is $11,000. But guys, this is where most people fuck up, all right? You had to sell make 225 sales to get this $11,000, all right? So this is what I'm going to explain to you guys here. What you want to do is take half of that and you want to spend on advertising, if not all of it. Like I said up here, your break-even offer. So if you took all this and used it in advertising, you'd tenfold this money very quick, all right? But you have to have other offers. So you want a product or service that has a low, medium, and high ticket offer, okay? That's what you want to go after. And you want to have a product that has a mentorship, a training, support. So they teach you how to actually make money online, all right? So they don't expect you to do this by yourself, all right? This is where most people screw up, is they stop here and then they try to keep doing it and they fail, okay? So I know this sounds crazy, but these are very good clicks, okay? So I wouldn't buy these from some Joe Schmo on Udemy. I'd buy these very good clicks from somebody like Igor Kifet or something like that, okay? Now, what we want to do here is we want to send them to the front end offer. These guys, this isn't really where the money's at. You're going to send them to a core offer, okay? These are what I call medium ticket offers, okay? These are $99 to $4.99. This is where most people live. Network marketing, products, etc., etc. This is where most people live, okay? They don't usually take it to the high ticket level because they don't like that risk. But this is where most people live, okay? So for your core offer, so you can see you made some money off those other offers right there, right? So then you send them to this offer, okay? Medium ticket products or services is where you begin to make small amounts of money, all right? Most people never go further than this. They usually give up once they get into this category, okay? $99 to $4.99. So 15% conversion rate on those 225 conversions from your last one, you send them to this offer, okay? 15% of them will convert. I would say between 10 and 15 is a good, 5 and 15 is a good average. My average, it was 10 to 15%, okay? I just put 15% on here just to keep the math kind of simple. So 15% on them 33 conversions, okay? 300 times 33, and I'm going with a $300 offer, okay, because I kind of picked the middle ground, is $9,990, all right? So that would give you a profit of $9,900, okay? So don't get stuck here. You had to make 33 sales for that, all right? This is where you begin to see money made from your efforts, all right? But the next step is where the big magic happens, all right? So the next step, what would happen is they would get sent to a high ticket offer. This is where the big money offers happen. Most people never even take the risk and take this step for high ticket offers. But you got to think of it this way, all right? So say you have a high ticket offer, it can be anywhere from $4.99 to $20,000. And you're like, holy shit, $20,000? Yeah, $20,000, all right? But you can make a huge commission off a $20,000 product or service, all right? So some people say it would be so much harder to make that. Really, it's a lot harder to make $100 sales over and over and over to make that $50 commission than it is to make one sale and make that big commission. I've went through all the patterns and I can tell you that is true. All right. I know most people, haters out there, are going to say that's bullshit, but I'm not lying. This is the way to go with high ticket offers. It's not for everybody because you do got to put money in the game. But when you put money in the game, you take more serious with your actions. Okay, so 15% conversion rate. We're going to say 15% conversion rate on those 33 conversions would give you 4.5 conversions out of those 33. Okay, so that means I broke it down. I just lowered it down to 4 people on a $5,000 offer get you, or a $5,000 commission get you $20,000. All right, so you just made $20,000 off $5,000 commissions for 4 people on those conversions that you sent through the funnel, okay? So out of all those 5,000 clicks at the very beginning of them all those people, only 4 of them converted, but they converted on your big money offer. Okay, guys? $20,000 profit for these 4 sales. Okay? So this is where it gets really freaking fun, because once you start seeing this and you can just start buying paid traffic, you can scale it real easy. Okay? You can't scale organic free traffic. It's just hit or miss. You can scale paid traffic, okay? Because you can start seeing, okay, this is the numbers I get, and you can run a couple series to get like an average, because you might run one series, get 15%, and the next series you only get 5%, okay? But you get an average after you notice it, and then you can start just scaling it from there. So you get a lot of money. You can start adding these offers up and start seeing where you start making money, okay? It's actually easier to make one high ticket sale than it is 50 low ticket sales, okay? You got to go after 50 people to get them low ticket sales, where you only have to hit one to make that one sale. But if you have a sales funnel that has all 3 offers, you have a lot bigger opportunity to make that one of those convert. Even if this was only 2 or 1, all right? Even if this is only one of these, that's $5,000 extra in your pocket every month because you had a high ticket offer in your product. So you got to ask yourself, how much money are you leaving on the table by not having a high ticket offer in your business, all right? And not all of us do. It's not for everybody, but you got to have a platform that has a product or service that has low, medium to high ticket offers or services or products or whatever it is that you're selling that convert, okay? So the end game, all right? There's no special skill set for this, all right? So once you learn how to do this, it's just throwing money at paid traffic to actually get offers to convert, all right? So your offer, okay? I'm going to talk about the offer here. It includes low, medium, high ticket offers like I spoke of before. Low ticket has a low entry, $9 to $99 at break even, covers your advertising costs, and about 50 sales monthly will get you that 1,000 plus range, okay? Medium ticket offers, this will get you 99 to 499 offers. This is where most people are. This is where most network marketing companies are, most direct sales companies are. They're around the 99 to 499 sales, okay? So that's usually what you sell to people. They usually don't, they like to stay in that category. So that's easy in that swim lane. But you earn small profits, all right? You can earn $1,000 plus monthly just by 10 sales, okay? So if you're selling your $100 offer and you sell 10 sales, that's $1,000 a month, okay? So who wouldn't want $1,000 extra a month? I mean, you'd be an idiot not to take that. But when you had a high ticket offer in the mix, $499 to $12,000 plus, I mean, I'm talking, you can see some out there for $20,000 or more, all right? And these are big profits, usually like 40 to 50% commissions on these products or services, all right? So you earn bigger profits. You can earn $5,000 plus monthly on just 1 or 2 sales, all right? So you got to start thinking about this. You're pushing these through the funnel, okay? So you have your low, your high ticket. So people are coming in. You're getting people to buy your low ticket offer, okay? You're making some profits here. Then you got some people converting off from that. Another, say 30% opted in, 10% convert, another 10% convert, another 10% convert. You're looking at, 5,000 plus every single month going into your pocket, okay? So who wouldn't want an extra $5,000, $10,000 a month? I mean, you'd be, I don't think anyone would say they wouldn't want an extra $5,000, $10,000 every single month. And this can scale, 20 to 100 grand a month. I know people making 100 grand a month doing the same exact thing that I'm speaking of here, all right? So training and mentorship, you want a platform that not only has low, high ticket, medium ticket products or services, you also want a platform that includes training and mentorship, because without that, you're going to fall flat on your face, especially if you're a newbie and you have never done this before, okay? So your offer should include training and mentorship, so when you do sell a product or service, then people that you're selling to can actually make money as well, okay? You can teach you how to make money and make an income online, okay? You can make a full-time income online. They teach you how to do this. They give you a support system, okay? It includes masterminds with millionaire online earners. So this is very important. You got to build your network. You got to hang around with like-minded people, because you are an average of the five most you know, 5 people you hang out with the most, that's usually an average of what you are. Okay, so if you're the top, then you'll have a hard time at hitting that ceiling. Okay, so if you're in a group of people and you're hanging out with a bunch of millionaires where you're just making 6 figures a year, eventually you're going to get that millionaire status, because you're gonna start feeding off of them and start learning what they do and do what they do. So if you're broke and you're hanging out with a bunch of broke guys, most likely you'll be broke. If you hang out with a bunch of people that drink beer every night, most likely you're going to be drinking beer every night. Okay, so that's just how it works. Proven system. You want a product or service that has a proven system that works. Okay, ability to start from day one. You can buy a product, buy the licensing, start selling it, make money from day one. You would like to have a 100% done for you system. Okay, so if you click the link down below in my description, the #1 recommended way to make a full-time income online, that is a 100% done for you system. All you got to do is send traffic to it. That's it. Easy peasy. All right. So guys, this is the Make Money Blueprint. Hopefully you got some good feedback here or some reference, but I wanted to put this out here so you guys actually got to see the Big Money Blueprint. All right, guys. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below. Let me know what you would like to hear in the future. Peace out.